welcome to our 8th public installation of elected and appointed officers for the ensuing year 2026. We are grateful for your presence tonight. Your support and fellowship means a lot to us, and as we install the new officers who are ready to serve with dedication, humility, and integration.
At sa pagkakataong ito, hihiramin ko ang mga salita ng ating mga pinuno sapagkat buong puso akong naniniwala na making little lives matter. Totoo po, bawat buhay mahalaga, walang mataas, walang mababa, tayo lahat ay pantay-pantay. At ito ang tunay na diwa ng The Shriners Way of Life.
My commitment to this love remains firm, and I will continue to support our new leadership headed by our President, Double Joel Papa.
Maraming salamat mga kuya. Kuya Joel, good luck. Wala kami sa likod mo. Nasa harap mo kami sa laban mo. Muli po, maraming salamat at good evening, nobilities.
Installation is not just a matter of form. It is the solemn engagement under oath. The one elected to office will serve selflessly, honorably, and in accord with the principles of this order.
May this gathering further inspire us to value one another, remain united in purpose, and actively support the work of our club and of Shrindom.
Thank you for the great honor allowing me to serve you as your 7th president. I step down with pride, hope, renewed dedication, knowing that our mission continues, our bonds, Shriners remain strong. God bless us all. God bless the Balisong Shrine Club.
With the power vested in me as installing marshal, I now proclaim that the officers of Balisong Shrine Club duly installed.
Sa ating munting samahan, tunay po nating pinapahalagaan ang bawat isa. Ito ang daan natin, our way. Kaya't sana ay lagi nating isa puso. Every noble counts, every Shriners matter, dahil bawat isa sa masoneria ay mahalaga. Maraming salamat po at naway pagpalain tayo na lahat ngayong gabi.